Jiggy greetings, fellow curious minds. I'm Dr. Quark, and today we're delving into the fascinating world of quantum computing. Prepare yourselves for a mind-bending journey, but first let's take a moment to appreciate our trusty, regular computers. They've served us well, haven't they? These silicon marvels have been the backbone of our digital world for decades, processing information bit by bit. These silicon-based marvels process information using bits, simple on or off states. It's quite remarkable, really. However, as our problems grow more complex, regular computers start to, well, compute rather regularly. This marvel of modern science harnesses the power of subatomic particles, opening up a world of computational possibilities. Enter the quantum computer, a machine that harnesses the power of subatomic particles. Sounds like science fiction, doesn't it? Quantum computers use qubits which can exist in multiple states simultaneously. It's like having a superposition of possibilities. Now I know what you're thinking. Dr. Quark, this all sounds too good to be true. And I admit, I was skeptical too. But let me assure you, the future of computing is quantum. That's why we're going to conduct the ultimate showdown, quantum versus regular. Are you ready for some computational excitement? Our challenge, solve the traveling salesman problem for 100 cities. It's a classic optimization problem that gives regular computers nightmares. On your marks, get set, compute! As our regular computer begins its calculations, let's take a moment to appreciate the gentle hum of its processors. Meanwhile, our quantum computer... Wait, what? It's finished already, but our regular computer hasn't even... Oh my, I can't believe it. The quantum computer solved it instantly. This changes everything. Ladies and gentlemen, we are witnessing the dawn of a new era in computing. The future is quantum. But don't worry, regular computers. You'll always have a special place in our hearts and on our desks. Now let's explore some mind-bending applications of quantum computing, shall we? Imagine unbreakable encryption that could keep our data safe from even the most determined hackers. Or consider the possibilities in drug discovery. We could simulate molecular interactions with unprecedented accuracy. Climate modeling could become so precise that we'd be able to predict weather patterns years in advance. And let's not forget about artificial intelligence. Quantum computers could lead to AI so advanced it might even laugh at my jokes, but the progress we're making is truly remarkable. It's like watching the birth of a new technological universe. However, in the coming decades, quantum computing will likely revolutionize fields from finance to pharmaceuticals. Who knows? Maybe one day we'll even crack the code to time travel. Well, maybe not that last one. As we bid farewell, remember, in the quantum world, the impossible becomes possible and the improbable becomes, well, still improbable. This is Dr. Quark signing off for now. But in the quantum realm, who knows? I might be signing off and on simultaneously. Until next time, keep your bits flipping and your qubits qubitting.